Hello, this is Bhatnapriya Sarangabani from Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, and I finished my MSc Computer Science from Bharatdasan University. Today in this video, we will be seeing some of the concepts related to metals and non-metals. First, let me see about alloys. What are alloys? Alloys are homogeneous mixture of two or more metals with certain non-metallic elements. So the properties of the alloys are different from that of their components. For example, when we take pure gold, it is too soft to be used. So certain amount of or small percentage of copper is mixed with gold to enhance its utility and strength. Fine. So similarly, let me take amalgam. Amalgam is an alloy of mercury with another metal. So these alloys are produced by the metallic bonding with electrostatic force of attraction with the electrons and between the electrons and the positively charged metallic ions. For example, silver tin amalgam is used in dental filling. Why this alloying is done? What are the reasons for alloying? To increase the strength, tensile strength and hardness, to increase the resistance to electricity, to lower the melting point, to modify the chemical activity and to modify the color and appearance. So let me see what are the methods of alloying. First is by fusing the metals together. The brass alloy is made by melting zinc and copper together. The next method is by compressing finely divided metals. For example, when we take wood metal, it is an alloy of tin, lead, bismuth and cadmium powder, and it is a fusible alloy also. So from this thing we can understand that alloy is an solid solution, which is known as when we take this higher concentration as the solvent and the lower concentration of the metal will be the solute. For example, in the making of brass, zinc will be the lower concentration which is used as the solute, and copper will be the higher concentration which will be used as the solvent. So now let me see about the types of alloys. There are two types of alloys based on the presence or absence of the iron in it. So there are ferrous alloys and non-ferrous alloys. So coming to ferrous alloys, contain iron as the major component. For example, stainless steel, nickel steel, etc. When coming to non-ferrous alloys, they do not contain iron as the major component. For example, aluminum alloy and copper alloy. So these are the concepts related to alloys. Let me see about corrosion. So what is corrosion? The corrosion is nothing but it is the general destruction of the metals by chemical or electrochemical reaction with the environment. In this, the metals are converted into oxides, hydroxide or sulfide because the metal loses its metallic property and it is a natural process also. Fine. When we talking about corrosion, we should know about rusting. What is rust? Rust is chemically hydrated ferric oxide. Its formula is Fe2O3 into X molecules of H2O. So rusting is the process that is which results in the formation of reddish brown hydrated ferric oxide as a coating on the metals. So there are two types of corrosion: dry corrosion or chemical corrosion, which takes place in the absence of moisture, and wet corrosion or electrochemical corrosion, which takes place in the presence of moisture. So these are the two types of corrosion. So the methods to avoid corrosion are alloying and surface coating. So alloying in the sense metals can be alloyed to prevent the forming of corrosion, for example stainless steel. And surface coating, from the name itself it is telling it is a protective coating over the metals to avoid corrosion. So hope you like this video, and I'm very grateful if I've been recruited in Byju's, the wonderful learning platform. Thank you.